What is up, my dudes, and that one girl named Siri? This is Bikes, Beards, and Brews. Let's kick that intro. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Before we kick this one off, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification. New videos on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays. Just keep putting them out. Yeah, dance monkey dance. Let's get the other stuff out of the way. Want to save 10% on a Krew communicator? Unless, of course, this is May 2023 and it is before the 21st when you can actually save 25% on a Krew communicator. Check my referral link down below. Want to support me in all my do-gooderness like these cool guys here? Boom! Then you should become part of the Brew Crew and join my coffee page down below. It's next to the 1 million Amazon affiliate links that are going to a good cause. What is that good cause? Well, I'm glad you asked. There's a link down below explaining that as well. Get it? Got it? Oh yeah! So today I decided to plug into the Matrix and let good old ChatGPT write the script for this video with a few caveats that I put into place, which was go through my channel, pull out some stuff. I had it look at some dates and all that stuff and try and pull out a script that would sound like something I had wrote from off the top of my head. And that is what we are doing today. So get ready for the artificial intelligence because, well, there's no actual intelligence on this channel. I need all the help I can get. So you ready to jump into this? Oh, check out that truck. So because of the time of the year, the season, and all that, and the schedule and what's coming up, ChatGPT has decided that I should talk about Laconia and rekindle my rivalry with Fly and Ride. So on the first Saturday of Laconia Bike Week, the 100th annual I might add, when the sun comes out from behind the mountains and just casts a light over the entire land of Laconia, I will be meeting up with Fly and Ride at Laconia Harley in the parking lot adjacent to Laconia Harley, and we will be lining up our bikes and we will be doing cold starts for people coming by to see who can get to 10 first on whose bike sounds the best. And the winner of that gets to celebrate and claim victory. The loser will be subject to, well, some sort of joke or humiliation from the winner. And that's what we are going to do. So I highly encourage you, if you are coming out to Laconia this year, high noon, come over to the parking lot adjacent to Laconia Harley. It is going to be right next to the Suspension Technologies tent, which is in the back of that parking lot. Very easy to find. What you can do is actually park at Laconia Harley, and then there's a little walking bridge that separates the two parking lots. You come right over, you are there. It is that close, that easy. And I do encourage you to come hang out, say hello. If you're coming to Laconia, definitely down below, leave a comment, let me know, because I would love to meet up with you guys. I'd love to see you. So for those of you not familiar with Fly and Ride, he is a dastardly, evil, dark, sort of villainous man that comes from New Jersey. And really, that must say it all because, well, New Jersey, the land of hot garbage. I don't know. Wannabe mafia and TV shows from like HBO, the smell of fragrant garbage going throughout the land, and all kinds of other fun, silly things that nobody cares about. It's also where like the Giants are actually from, so yeah, go ahead and just call them the Jersey Giants, because let's be honest, you're not New Yorkers, you're a bunch of wannabes. Nonetheless, it will be Fly and Ride versus myself. Fly and Ride rolling up on his CVO Special Sandstorm. It is a Street Glide CVO Special, and it is going to be coming up here with Chromeworks pipes on it versus my Road Glide Special that is a 2018 and has Cobra Neighbor Hater pipes on it. So it is going to be Thunder against, well, whatever New Jersey thinks is Thunder. Now, the thing is, Fly and Ride will not be coming alone. No, he is a little too timid to do that, no matter how dark and scary he may be down in New Jersey. So he will be bringing the rest of the Jersey boys up with him. They will be doing some song and dance numbers. I don't know, maybe. I guess we'll find out when they get here. But they will probably all be wearing those red sequence jackets. I'm just assuming, so let's just go with that. Yeah, the Jersey boys will be rolling up here in red sequence jackets to support Fly and Ride. Fly and Ride might actually have a red sequence mask for this as well. I'm not quite sure, but let's be honest, he probably will. All right, so that was a pretty decent script, I guess. I feel like I stayed pretty on point. ChatGPT decided, because Bike Week's coming up and it's not too far away, right around the corner, that I should just start a war with Fly and Ride. And that's what I did. So how did that sound? Did it seem natural? Did it seem like something I would talk about? Did it seem like the stuff that I would say? Did it feel like something that I would have written on my own? If so, you are absolutely right, because let me tell you, I have not used ChatGPT. And here's where our real conversation begins for the rest of you who are like, what? The thing is, AI is becoming a more prevalent force in things everywhere, including in YouTube videos and content creation and stuff like that. And I honestly think that this is an absolutely awful, garbage, piece of shit idea, and I don't feel like people should embrace this technology. I know that no one's gonna like listen to this and be like, here, let's do what that guy says. And quite honestly, there's probably some of you watching this, either because of the title or curiosity or whatnot, who have considered it or are doing it. And honestly, I think it's trash. I 100% think it's trash, because part of being a YouTuber, part of making videos is the word creator. You are a content creator. So when you're going to like AI, when you're like paying for the premium membership of TubeBuddy, so it can tell you what kind of video to make and what sort of target words you have to use to get like the most views and all this stuff, how much of that are you really creating? You're basically just like a glorified cover band. You're one of those tool bags that are on American Idol trying to like tell people that they're an artist as they plow through cover after cover. It's just absolutely silly. If you were here, if you were on this channel, if you were in the YouTube sphere creating stuff, that's really what it should be. You should be creating. You should be using your imagination. You should be drawing from your life experience, stuff that you're doing, stuff that you want to do, stuff that you're thinking about. You should be a creator, because this is getting out of control. And quite honestly, right back to like the TubeBuddy stuff, the only thing that would separate your videos from week to week from the other, like, you know, million Motovlog content creators, if that's what you're doing, is who has the premium accounts on TubeBuddy. Because let's be honest, TubeBuddy isn't like sitting there creating the exact like title and idea and script just for you. It is vomiting out whatever is absolutely popular at that point in time. It is giving you those exact tags and those exact like keywords and like just stuff to say at that moment. So you and everybody else with that premium membership, same when you're using like ChatGPT and stuff, you're not getting anything original there. You're not getting anything just for you. You're just getting something that's been regurgitated on a couple keywords or whatever's popular. And it's absolutely dumb. Do motovloggers and vloggers and content creators overlap with each other? Yes, absolutely, no question. But that's because we experience a lot of the same things. However, it's very, very disheartening when you're overlapping and you're putting out the same stuff, because you're like, I have to do this because this AI program told me to. Now I understand there's an organic approach to this as well. You know, if you turn on YouTube and everyone's doing a CVO video and you do a CVO video, yes, there's that overlap. Yes, you were putting out the same thing. Yes, you were capitalizing on some of those keywords, etc., etc. However, the difference is you have to put in a little bit more of your personality to make that interesting, to get people to watch it. Because let's be honest, there's only so many videos people are going to watch where it's just some dork behind a camera showing you a couple screen grabs of what they can already see from the original, like, source material. So it requires your personality, it requires your energy, it requires your creativity. And I don't think you're seeing that with AI. And the smarter that AI becomes, the better it becomes, the more efficient it becomes, the less inspired people are going to be, and they're just going to be going through the motions. And you're going to see a lot less imagination and creativity being brought to you, because it's just going to be whatever a computer has told them that they should put out. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get off my soapbox now. But here's the thing. Ever since I was a kid, I've always liked to do creative things. When I was young, I drew a lot. Quite honestly, I wanted to be a comic book illustrator when I was a kid. And that's all I did when I was a kid, all the way through high school and stuff was like that. It was just draw comic books. Around high school, I also started getting into music a lot more. I was always into music, but I actually started like making music. I started as a bass player. I learned I sucked, and I moved to vocals, and I sucked a little bit less at that. I made that last a whole lot longer. But to me, it's always been, I want to create. I want to, you know, build something. I want to make stuff. I want to put creative energy towards things and make something cool. I don't like just having someone go, here's all the instructions, stay inside the lines, good on you. Drives me nuts. Can't do it. I guess I'm a rebel. I don't know. Oh, I'll also add cooking. Like cooking, I've cooked forever, and I love creating things like that. Same thing, creative juices. You've got to like really use some imagination to not sit there and just pull pages out of a cookbook, which I absolutely hate and I absolutely will not do. So yeah, this whole rollout of AI, this whole thing where people are like, oh, let's start doing this for more content and bigger videos and all that, drives me nuts. I absolutely hate it. I think it is the dumbest thing going right now. And I have no problem telling anyone that. And this is not something that I plan to like back down from. I'm standing my ground. This is dumb. And if you need AI to help you create videos, if you need AI to think up stuff for you so you have content, then maybe creating stuff for YouTube is not where you should be. You should go somewhere else. And it goes the same across the board. If you need AI to create music for you, scripts, stories, anything like that, maybe that's not something you should be doing because you're not good at it. Yeah, it really does fire me up. I guess this could be like a grinds my gears, but I do want to take out the whole like thought of this even being comedic in any sort of level. This sort of thing really does just absolutely piss me off, and I think it's one of the dumbest things that people are embracing right now. I don't know. What do you guys think? Sound off down below. Sure, I'll get some haters. I don't really care. If they're embracing AI and all this stuff to create things, then their comments are probably gonna be dumb as fuck and easy to make fun of, so I'm not sweating that one too much. Probably regurgitating some stupid like one-liner from the 80s like most of those morons do. I don't know, but all right. That's it. It's an angry video, sorry. But yeah, like I said, sound off down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification, share this video with friends, share it with family, share it with that one dorky who was like, oh, AI is going to be great for my channel. That guy can go fuck himself. And I'll see you all on the flip side.